Hey, dear viewers, how are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. First of all, check my salam. Assalamu alaikum. Today, I would like to talk about 30 tongue twister.
Wow.
Chop cup cup chop thumb tighter two test two chulali tight to this kali sisa kali kara papa ball pizza pedi paras kili kili kapa kite slowly type ka active tongue twister that chick check hand call like it kedan table kuda papi and pick up to book the photo akaba kaba in a kaba ka high table tacto chile take pita five the figure FIFA say free fucking ka public to root up and picture 30,000 30 such a down detail this my sister says that but pita sister doesn't say she says by the sister that says actually she says that 30 জিবে তো অর্ধ দে চিন্তা তো নক তো অর্ধ দে পিকচার পাবলিক ফুড বিবিশিল ফুটেটা পাবলিক প্রফেশন অফ পোয়েট্রি আরিনা which a tongue twist try to the next tongue twist and tongue to landa later the probably by the paper open paper and pencil to the paper take the totality in the teacher to take that of every reference teacher the time find a copy of skeptic and the chocolate in Cambodia capital for the of Cambodia perform for this mupa to provide the better service for public so to for this mupa connection public fiber on of honesty is profitable. Pronouncing tongue twister is a tongue twister. Talented ability that is how to handle by using T. Capital city car is crowded with kids to compete in cricket tournament. The caretaker of car arranges a caliber. They call it the red carpet camera. After paper is the back, failing chance of the first parliament. Of paragraph the party pass with a patient facility to paragraph the party pass of commitment that is in the face of able princess paper. Telephone useful telemarketing of able pencil paper. Telephone useful telemarketing and telesales at holidays in Taiwan. Taiwan has tendency the telemarketing television temporary. The temperature of Taiwan is 10 times upper time. Table tennis is popular in Taiwan. Always be cool. Don't have ego sense of family. Give up hunting individual. That's keep loving mentor. Never often fair. Quality remember Allah. Speak the truth. Use valid word. Speak your zeal. If you understand, say understand. If you don't understand, say don't understand. Say don't understand. Or if you don't understand, say and say understand. How do I understand that you understand? Do I make you understand?